Here we will talk about factors. Okay. So in an algebraic expression, each and every term actually are a product of constants and literals, or you can say variables. So for example, we can take a term like 5x. This 5x is actually a product of 5 and x. You what? Product of 5 and x. If we talk about minus 3xy, this minus 3xy is nothing but product of what? Minus 3 into x into y. Okay, so minus 3xy is a product of minus 3x and y. So in this way we can say that factors of 5x are 5 and x, and factors of minus 3xy is minus 3x and y. Next we will discuss about coefficients. Coefficients in general are the numerical factor of an x expression. Okay, like here in 5x, what is the coefficient? In general, if you want to say, the coefficient will be 5, because 5 is the numerical factor. Okay, the constant. In minus 3xy, what will be the numerical coefficient? The coefficient will be minus 3, because minus 3 is the constant here. Similarly, if you take another example, say twice a, what is the coefficient here? 2, simply. If we say 14xy, what will be the coefficient? Obviously 14. Okay, this is in general. In general, if we talk about coefficients, we just take the what? This constant value, constant number, which is multiplied with the variable. But sometimes coefficients may take some other definition also. For example, coefficient of x in, say for example, 7xy. Okay, so what is the coefficient of x in 7xy? So what we are finding, coefficient of x means in this term which things are multiplied with x. We can see that with x 7 and y are multiplied. So coefficient of x here will be what? 7y. Same thing, coefficient of y in 7xy. What will be coefficient of y? We have to see what is multiplied with y here as a whole. With y we can see that 7x is multiplied. So 7x will be the coefficient. Okay. Similarly, coefficient of b in minus 5ab. What will be the answer? Coefficient of b, this minus 5a, because minus 5a is multiplied with b. So our answer will be minus 5a. Okay. Now we'll discuss about some general terms like monomial. Monomial means algebraic expressions having only one term, means only one term. Okay, so for example 11x, say 2x square y, okay, say minus 5ab. They have only one term, although one sign is here minus, so it is minus is not separating 5ab from any other number, so we can take this minus 5ab as only one term. So since they have only one term, they are called monomial. Then comes binomial. Binomial means having two terms. Algebraic expressions having two terms. Say for example, a plus b. A plus b has two terms. Okay. Say x square plus y square. Okay. They have two terms. So for example, 2xy minus 7. They have two terms. This is one term, this is another term. So these are called binomials. Then comes trinomials. Trinomial means having three terms. Okay. Three terms means say 3x minus y plus 2z. This term has three terms, no? 3x, y and 2z. So this is a trinomial. Okay. Say one more example you can take. Say 8abc minus 4ab minus c. They have three terms. These are called trinomials. Then quadrinomial. Quad means four, so you must have got the idea what quadrinomial is. Is having four terms. Four terms. As for example, 2x plus y plus ab plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms. Okay. Quad means four. Lastly, polynomial. Poly means many. So polynomial may take any number of terms. It can have two terms. It just has to be more than one. It can have two terms, three terms, four terms, as many terms you may like. Okay. Having two or more terms. And for example, you can take any from here. You can take from here also. You can take from here also. You can take from here also. Okay. So that will be our polynomial. You can have as many terms as you like.